You know how our body has different parts like arms, legs, and a head? Well, letters have their own little anatomy too. It's like they are alive with their own bones and features. And today we are going to discuss the remaining parts from the typography anatomy part 1. So let's get started. We have already discussed what is baseline, cap line, mean line, ascent line, descent line, ascender, descender, stem, serif, and ear. Now there are few parts that were left, so we will discuss them in this video. Ever notice how most lowercase letters like O or X are the same height? That's called the X height. It's the sweet spot that keeps everything looking clean and easy to read. Super important for legibility. Did you see that round enclosed part of the letter P? That's called the bowl. It's what gives these letters their smooth curvy vibe. Inside the O there is an enclosed space. This is called a close counter, a crucial part of the character that helps define its shape. On the G, the curved part that connects the top and bottom is the link. It ties together the structure, creating a smooth flow. Now look at the bottom enclosed area of the letter G is the loop. It's like a tiny bubble hanging below the baseline. Beautiful and essential. Finally, check out the letter Y. See that long swooping stroke dipping down? That's the tail. And there you have it, the anatomy of typography. But if you are going to start graphic design in 2025, then you should watch this video.